Oh. Ay, baka mabali yan.
Mas madaling manalo. Kaya lahat, pwede nang maging siyatin. Kumain na yun.
New Anago Energy Drink contains complex vitamins, protein, and enough salt. It gives the mind and body an extra energy to keep you on the go. New Anago, always on the go.
Init at saya ng Paskong Pilipino, abot hanggang Amerika. Globe Tipid IDD card. As low as $2.50 per IDD minute. Up to 40 minutes talk time. May other tipid rates pa para mas mahaba ang Christmas lambinga. Kay daling gamitin sa Globe cellphone. O diba? Sa Globe's worldwide services, palagi ng buong pamilya.
People say I should start slowing down. But I love performing. So despite my age, may lakas loob pa rin ako. I'm actually fitter than ever. Just because I drink Anli. Now with nano-calcium. Para sa lakas loob ng buto, laban sa osteoporosis.
Suke, pabili naman isang kilong karne.
Ay, ako suki. Nagtaas na naman. Kung araw lang.
Sige, kalahating kilo na lang.
Isang sangkapin na napapanahon dahil siksik sa katas ng tunay na pork. Nor pork cube. Kaya ang pork nilaga, kaunti ng sangkap, karning-karni ang sarap. Nor pork cube.
Dapat magtipid ng tubig, kaya isang banlaw na lang ang gawin mo. Ano dahil isang banlaw, ibuhos ang sachet ng downy. Ibabad dito, bigain, sa isang tray. At halos ganito kadami ang matitipid ng tubig kung lahat tayo magbanaw ng isang banlaw.
Real Coke tastes without sugar? Impossible, right?
It's possible. Tastes like Coke.
I don't believe in the impossible, babe.
It's time you do, babe.
Believe it. Coke Zero has real Coke taste, zero sugar. It is possible. Coke Zero.
Everyone finds a touch of softness irresistible. Palmolive Naturals Intensive Moisture with 100% natural cocoa cream hits like a milk bath that leaves hair irresistibly soft. Palmolive Naturals Intensive Moisture.
Strong, rich coffee comes from selected coffee beans. Ito ang Grade 1 coffee beans na ginagamit ng Coffeeco 3-in-1. Pinatapang ang timpla. Damang-dama ang lasa. New Coffeeco 1+1 Instant Coffee plus Sugar. Coffeeco, astig na kape. Sa unang sinyalis ng hyperacidity, hindi sapat ang pahid-pahid lang. Baka lumala, maging ulcer. Kremil agad, para okay agad. Mabilis, at talagang solusyon. Kremil agad, the high-speed anti-acid.